Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 1.2, we're learning about an exciting punctuation mark in English, the exclamation point. This is an exclamation point. It goes at the end of a sentence to express strong emotion, excitement, surprise, urgency, or emphasis. It can also be used to convey a command or exclamation. Now, look at the examples in Activity 1.2 in the textbook. Let's practice saying them first. Listen and repeat, and make sure to use the same level of emotion.
Wow.
Oh, no.
It looks so beautiful.
It is Sunday. I am sick again.
It's so exciting.
Sounds great. Now look at number 1. Your task is to rewrite the phrases showing emotion. It reads, write a sentence of excitement using the phrase, going to a concert. If you look, number 1 is already done for you. It reads, I am going to a concert. Now, you can change it to whatever you want for additional practice. For example, she is going to a concert, or they are going to a concert. Do you understand? Good. Let's continue. Now look at number 2. It reads, write a sentence of excitement using the phrase, going on vacation. Using the examples from number 1, you can write, I am going on vacation, or she is going on vacation, or whatever you want. Pause the video now and write your own in the textbook for number 2. Excellent. Let's look at number 3. It reads, write a sentence of excitement using the phrase, going to a show. Using the same method we used for numbers 1 and 2, write your exciting sentence on the line for number 3. Pause the video now and write your sentence. Great! Did you remember to put the exclamation point at the end of your sentence? If you forgot, make sure to stop the video and do that. Okay, let's try number 4. The sentence reads, it is Friday. Now you can simply add an exclamation point to the end, and this completes the task for number 4. However, you can change the day, Friday, to something else. For example, it is Saturday, or it is my birthday, or it is Christmas. You can change that to whatever you like. Just remember to add the exclamation point. Well done. Okay, now for number 5, the task reads, write a sentence of disappointment using the phrase, team is losing. Well, this message is clearly not a good one. Pause the video here and see what you come up with. The easiest thing to do is to write my at the beginning. So you could write, my team is losing. If I write this using a plural subject, I would have to change is to are. For example, my favorite American football team is the Miami Dolphins. So when they lose, I can write, the Miami Dolphins are losing. This demonstrates much disappointment. You try writing your favorite team. Pause the video now and try rewriting the sentence. And don't forget the exclamation point. Superb! Now let's look at number 6. It reads, write a sentence of frustration using the phrase, late again. Think about what kinds of things would frustrate you if you arrived late. For example, it can be costly to be late to the airport. Therefore, I could write, "Oh no, I'm late to the airport again." Pause the video now and write what frustrates you. Great job! Let's take a look at number 7. The sentence reads, write a sentence of happiness using the phrase, getting married. Pause the video now and try writing a sentence using this phrase on your own. Don't forget the exclamation point. Wow, this activity has been amazing. Share your sentence for number 7 in the comments. I would like to see what you came up with. I hope you enjoyed this activity. We've got plenty more for this textbook, Writing Journey for Beginners. If you still don't have your copy of the textbook, click the link in the description or visit our website, iwtle.com, and get your copy to get the full experience. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.